Hi everyone, welcome back to Essence of Polish. Today's video is this beautiful burgundy design with holographic sides. So now let's get into the video. The burgundy that I have on is this really old polish that I have. The brand is Nina Ultra Pro, and this is one of their older bottles. They don't even make their bottles like this anymore, but the color is Share the Wealth. The holographic glitter that I'm going to be using is Seche in the color Diamond Dust. So as you saw on my pinky, I'm going to use a piece of clear tape and put that down on my nail. Then use an orange stick to press down the tape, make sure it's, completely flat down on my nail so that no polish gets underneath the tape. And then I'm going to use Diamond Dust to paint the other half of my nail. Number one rule to using tape on your nails is always when you put down a base color, like when you have a base color like how I'm on the burgundy, always use a quick dry top coat before putting down the tape. If you don't use a quick dry top coat, then the tape is going to pull up your polish, your base color, when you pull up the tape. It's best to pull the tape up when the polish is still wet. So with that being said, if you decide on 2 layers of the glitter like I did, then you can put your tape down, paint your first layer of glitter, leave the tape on and let that dry a little bit, let the first layer dry a little bit, put down your second layer of glitter, and then pull up the tape. I didn't do that because I don't really like doing my nails with tape on my fingertips. Tape on my fingertips gets annoying, so I just did it this way. So I added a layer of top coat, and I did it a little unnecessarily, a little too early, because I forgot I wanted to add some of this purple in here. So I should have did the purple and then top coat, but you know, top coat is never a bad thing, so we all right. But the purple I'm using is Kiss Gel in the color Debute. So after that, I just top coated again, and then that was it. I really like this design. I think I'm going to do it again in like different combinations because I have done something like this before. But if you like this video, then please subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video.